Stop letting the kids wander into your watch list. Today I'm showing you how to lock your Apple TV profiles with a custom PIN in just 3 simple steps. First, open the Apple TV app on your device and navigate to the sidebar on the left. Scroll all the way down to Settings. Once in Settings, select Profiles. This menu lists every account currently linked to your Apple TV app. Choose the specific profile you want to protect. Usually this is the primary account or any profile with unrestricted access. Now for step 2, scroll down to find Require 4-digit code and select it. This is the key to securing your viewing habits. For security, you'll need to verify your Apple account. Just scan the on-screen QR code with your iPhone or iPad to sign in. Once verified, the app will unlock the PIN creation screen. This ensures only the account owner can set or change the code. Step 3. Use your remote to enter a unique 4-digit PIN. Make sure it's something you'll remember but others won't guess. Re-enter the code to confirm. The app will save your preference immediately and the lock will be active. And you're all set. From now on, whenever someone tries to switch to or open this profile, they'll be prompted for that PIN. Pro tip, if you want to restrict specific content by age rating instead, use the Content Restrictions menu in Settings. Keep in mind that if you forget this PIN, you may need to reset all app settings to regain access, so keep it secure. Securing your Apple TV app only takes a minute, but provides long-term peace of mind for your personal watch list. If this quick fix helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. See you next time.